I want to say it personally, our 8th வரை வேற மாதிரி இருந்தா. Short time படிப்பா, she'll do fatafat. இப்ப she is sitting for long time, she is not able to concentrate. Whatever you told on that day, it reflected in my mind. This all happening, no? So attention seeking, she is not able to sit for long time. Everything is happening. That's what I believed in a positive nature. It is worked out in a very well manner.
It came out very well. Actually, இன்னைக்கு இந்த day 2 of detox தான்.
Exactly.
Actually, on the day 2 லயே I can see a good difference in her. The day 1 she was like very tired, doctor, so lethargic, and நான் உனக்கு கொடுத்தா கூட ஓகே எடுக்கணுமா அப்படின்னு ஒரு யோசனை இருந்தது. இப்போ வந்து she was like okay doctor கொடுங்க இன்னும் வேற என்ன அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி she was energetic and very positive. I can see her response. And moreover, with respect to the health update, after stepping into Oxy Plus, ஒரு 3 விஷயம் உங்க ஹெல்த்ல இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆயிருக்குன்னா அதுல டாப் 3 என்ன சொல்வீங்க மேம்?
First thing, she is sleeping. Sleep routine is very good.
Very good.
Then she is taking her pumpkin seeds. Naturally,